In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a document for signature using DocuSign, step by step. If you've never used DocuSign before, or you just want a quick refresher to make sure you're doing it correctly, this guide will walk you through the entire process from uploading your document to sending it out for signature. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently send contracts, agreements, or any document for electronic signature in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can go directly to apps.docusign.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the DocuSign home dashboard. This is where you can manage all of your envelopes, view documents waiting for signatures, and start new ones. To begin sending a document, click on the Start button. This will open the sending workflow where you can prepare a new envelope. An envelope in DocuSign simply means a document or group of documents that you're sending out for signature. Next, click on Upload. This is where you add the document that needs to be signed. You'll be given different options for where to upload your file from. To keep things simple, click on Desktop if your file is saved on your computer. Browse your files, select the document you want to send, and upload it into DocuSign. Once your document is uploaded, the next step is to fill in the details of the recipients. In the recipient section, enter the name and email address of the person who needs to sign the document. Make sure the email address is correct because this is where DocuSign will send the signing request. If you need multiple people to sign, you can add additional recipients and set the signing order if necessary. After adding the recipient details, scroll down to the message section. Here you can add a subject line and a custom message. This message will appear in the email your recipient receives, so it's a good idea to clearly explain what the document is and what you need them to do. For example, you can write a short note asking them to review and sign the attached agreement. Once everything looks good, click on Next, Add Fields. This will take you to the document editor where you'll place the required signature fields. Now you'll see your document displayed on the screen. On the left or right panel, depending on your layout, you'll find different fields that you can drag and drop onto the document. First, drag and drop the signature field to the area where you want the recipient to sign. Place it exactly where the signature should appear. Next, drag and drop the initial field if you need the recipient to initial specific sections of the document. This is useful for contracts where each page or clause needs acknowledgement. Then, drag and drop the date sign field to automatically capture the date when the recipient signs the document. Place it near the signature line or wherever appropriate in your document. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient, especially if you have more than one signer. You can check this by selecting the field and confirming the assigned name. Once you've added all the necessary fields and reviewed the placement, take a final look over the document to ensure everything is correct. When you're ready, click on Send. DocuSign will now send an email notification to your recipient with a secure link to review and sign the document electronically. You'll be able to track the status of the document directly from your DocuSign dashboard and receive notifications once it has been signed. And that's it. That's how you send a document for signature using DocuSign, step by step. It's a fast, secure, and professional way to handle agreements without printing or scanning anything. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.